This is our counterflow chiller. A lot of people have been going to concentric counterflow chillers rather than plate chillers. I suppose plate chillers are really hard to clean out, especially in between all those plates. If it's not a plate chiller which can be disassembled, those little cracks often get hops and other material harboring in there. So a lot of people prefer the counterflow chillers, which are similarly efficient. These ones that are made out of copper have excellent heat transfer properties. As everybody knows, copper is a fantastic conductor. Now, a lot of people ask us, how do they fit hoses onto here? So you can just put hose of the right diameter on here and then just clamp it, but then it means your hose is permanently connected, and that can sometimes be a bit annoying too. The other thing that we've just got in are these new little duo type push-in fittings, which go onto these 9.5mm outputs, or 3/8 outputs essentially. So it's really, really simple. Generally, most people are running the Wort through the middle of the coil. So with the Wort, just use these type here on either side. So they push in just like that. Now the stainless teeth inside these fittings basically grab onto the softer copper. So because there's a difference in the hardness of the metals, the stainless teeth grab on pretty well. Onto these fittings, you've got the 1/2" thread, so pretty much a wide range of all the fittings we have, such as cam locks, for instance, will screw onto these. So use a bit of Teflon tape, and then you can screw your cam lock on, and that should make a watertight seal. With regards to the water input on these, on the input side, we recommend using one of these duo type fittings, which is the 3/8 or 9.5mm, but it has a ball valve to control the water flow, so you can adjust the water flow to give you the desired temperature of the Wort coming out the other side. But yeah, generally we'd put that on this input here, so we just go like that. And once again, being 1/2", you can attach a wide range of other hose fittings on there as well. So that's pretty much how to plumb them up. So you'd have one ball valve, and all the other 3 input/outputs would have these duo tight 1/2" thread fittings on there, just like that. And I'd put one more on there as well. Now it is a counter flow chiller, so when you are plumbing it up, just be making sure that you've got counter flow. So in other words, the Wort is flowing in one direction while the coolant is flowing in the other direction. That's really important for these things to work efficiently. So if I have my water entering in this side here at the top, and it's entering in to the jacketed part of the coil around this black jacket, then obviously I want my Wort to enter this side. Now it doesn't really matter which one enters top and bottom or whatever, as long as they're counter flow. So they have to be counter flow in order for this to work at maximum efficiency. Anyway, if you've got any other questions, just let us know. If you want to hear of any other new stuff we've got coming up, definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel, just in the bottom right-hand corner there. Or sign up to our Facebook page. Lots of discount codes and vouchers and prizes that we give away on the Facebook. So yeah, definitely sign up for that one. All right, see you later, guys. See you next time. Bye.